Hey guys, in today's sewing series, I'm going to be showing you how to hem these men's track pants. These track pants were too long on my client, so he tried them on and we cuffed them up to his liking. I used these sewing clips to do so because I didn't want to, pin, and the sewing clips are actually easier, so yeah. Next, I'm laying out the pants and cutting below where I put these sewing clips for when I fold in and hem. I'm going to be using matching thread for the track pants and threading a matching bobbin. Before you fold in, you're just going to sew the raw edges with a zigzag stitch. This is what it looks like. Next, I switched out my thread and I folded in, and this is where you're going to sew a straight stitch, and you can just do this right under that zigzag stitch. My first straight line that I'm going to be creating on the fold, but then you're going to want to do a double stitch just so it can look more like a track pant. can do the second stitch line either above or under that line just to make sure it looks even. After that, don't forget to back stitch and trim up your thread and make it look neat. And there you have it. It gives off that track pant look. You can do this with black thread as well if you don't like the look of the white thread showing, but it's totally up to you. I hope this helped you guys out. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video. Also, sign up below and join my new Sew Design Academy membership waitlist. So that way when the membership drops, you can learn more about sewing and design. I love you guys, and I will see you at the top. Peace.